Say hello. He's back. You know why? Because he's standing up by himself against the couch. Come on. Come on, you stand up by yourself. Come on. See? Hop, hop, sit, hop, hop, hop. Like he's a... But don't worry, Mommy's gonna catch you. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah! No! You did a good job for a while, Doma. So this is my exercise after bath. So I can go sleep good. Doma. Hey, Doma. Say yes. Go night-night. Say bye-bye night-night. Bye-bye.